Hello everybody, I am Jeffrey Hauser. I've wanted to do a screencast of showing how to run unit tests from within IntelliJ. So this is my base setup that I wrote most of my code for the Learn With series, so it's that workspace. First, I don't actually, for this one, I don't even have a plugins, and then I'm going to search for Karma. And I'm going to install this Karma thing extension. Restart IntelliJ. So that is the very first step. Restart. Okay, I popped open my sample test file, which is the simplest one. And one thing I want to draw attention to, which is not the way I originally set up the Learn With series, because I set up everything to run from a gulp task. So let me bring that up. So here I'm specing a lot of files, options, not a lot, but a few options. Whereas to run tests through Karma, or rather through IntelliJ, you have to do everything inside the Karma conf. And that's what I've actually, so I've modified this a bit just for the purposes of running the test with the specific includes and excludes I want to use. So I'm going to right click this sample test and I'm going to choose run sample tests.ts from the menu. It's going to create a debug configuration up here in the top left. We're going to see a few errors where our code is accessing private variables or methods. But if we drill down, we see true is true and false is false. So it worked, and we ran it. Instead of running full test suite, we ran a single test file from within IntelliJ. I'm finding when I'm working on client projects, it's really good to do that. Yeah, because there's often a lot more tests. We're running into thousands of tests at once. So when you're trying to test, you don't want to run through the whole test suite. You just want to run a few, the few tests you're working on and the component you're working on.